Imagine this. You ordered food online and the app shows order successful, but no delivery ever comes. Or even worse, you get 3 pizzas because the system didn't even know your order went through. That tiny number in the backend response, the HTTP status code, could have saved this mess. In this video, let's uncover why these little 3-digit numbers secretly hold your entire backend system together. In some older projects back in days, I have seen every single request responded with status code 200. Okay, user created 200, wrong password 200, database exploded, yep, still 200. It looked really fine until the front end team struggled. They couldn't tell if a login actually failed or the API was broken because all they ever saw was simple 200 OK as status code. That's exactly when they realized status codes are not just for formalities. They are the language that APIs and clients use to understand each other. Let's break down the most popular ones that you will use almost every day. Status code 200 OK. That means everything went well. That's your success signal. Next one, 201 created. That means something new was successfully created. Perfect for signups or posting a new order or creating a new post in a blogging system or any entity. Next, we have 204 no content, meaning success but nothing to return in response payload. For example, deleting a record or any entity. Next up, we'll be covering some unsuccessful flows starting with 400 bad requests, meaning in short, the client messed up. Maybe they sent bad JSON or simply forgot a mandatory field. Next up, we have 401 unauthorized, quite famous, which means you are not logged in, no valid credentials in the request. Next, we have 403 forbidden, meaning you are logged in, but you are not actually allowed to access that specific resource. Subtle but important difference. Next, we have classic 404 not found. The resource just doesn't exist. Simple. And finally, we have 500, the famous internal server error. In short, it's our backend engineer's fault. Something is broken or off in the server. So here's the big lesson. Any status code starting with 2 means it's success, and any status code starting with 4 means the client did something wrong. And finally, any status code starts with 5 means the server messed up. Simple. And now you might wonder what exactly the status code starts with 3. Let me know in the comments. Alright, so using the right status code is like leaving breadcrumbs for your front-end developers, logs, and monitoring tools. When something goes wrong at 2 am, trust me, you will thank yourself for not returning 200 OK for every request. So next time you build an API, don't just think about JSON. Think about that little 3-digit number that tells the half of the story. And that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.